What's up everybody? I'm Weston. I like to build things, make things, design, and create things. And today, I'm embarking on my first ever scroll sawing adventure. Would you care to join me? So I've printed off my image that I want to use. The gray is the stuff that's going to get cut out. And I've got the board. So the pattern I want to put on here, I want to lay down some painter's tape so that I can pull the painter's tape up really easily when I'm all done with the pattern. So let's put that on. Alright. Ding! Got all my holes drilled in each cavity, including the outside. So now let's go scroll this bad boy. So let's take off the not too bad. There's some parts that I don't, yeah, I feel like I might want to try to smooth out some of these parts or something, round off some of these petals. All right, yay! All the tape is removed. So I'm going to get this sanded up a bit and clean up some of these bumpy spots and then go from there. Apply liberally across the grain. Okay, I'm going to use this board to kind of protect it a little bit. Set a heavy object. Just going to set this on there. Should give me some good compression on there. So we'll let that dry. All right. It's dried. Let's take a look. I've got some lacquer I'm going to use. The lotus flower is complete. I am pretty happy with how this turned out. It's my first scroll saw project ever, so I'm trying not to be too hard on myself about it. I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I notice all the flaws, but overall, I'm really happy with the outcome, and it was a lot of fun to do. I learned a ton along the way. If you have any suggestions for how I could do this better next time, leave me a comment below. If you want to see more, I've got more projects in the pipeline, so hit that subscribe button and you can see more of what I've got coming. So thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.